Good morning, students. This goes our history revision now. Whatever I have taught you in workbook is going to come for the test. Okay, so this is our history civics portion. Let's go for revision now. History, chapter number 4, the Vedic civilization. The text written under the composition of Samhita. The text written under the composition of Samhita, that is Brahmana text, Aranyakas and Upanishad. Women scholar in Vedic literature, Lopamudra, Gargi and Maitreyi. Means of entertainment in Vedic period, singing, playing, musical instrument, dance, board games, chariot race and hunting. 4 ashramas. Which are the 4 ashramas? Brahmacharya ashrama, Grihastha ashrama, Vanasprastha, then Sannyas ashrama. Okay, and next is the tax collector named Bhagdud. Then language of Vedic literature was Sanskrit. The 4 Vedas are collectively known as Samhita. The Dash has contributed in the major way in laying the foundation of music, that is Samaveda. Main occupation of Vedic people are agriculture. There are 4 Varnas in Vedic civilization, and these are the as the following. Right or wrong? Rigveda, mantra uttered during Yajna, wrong. Samaveda, guidance in singing a mantra during Yajna rites, is right. Atharva Ved that derives its name from Atharva Rishi, right. According to the Vedic people, following the rules of nature was to follow the dharma, that is right. Women were never allowed to participate in working Sabha or Idat, wrong. Then next, name the following: musical instrument, modern, ornaments, today's means of entertainment, and then this is answer in one word. Okay. Let's go for next chapter. Chapter number 5, religious trends in ancient India. This is the fill in the blanks. Students, each and everything, all objective I have taught you in your workbook. Just revise those questions. They are going to come for the test. And from this only I will be asking answer in one word also. Okay? True or false? Chapter number 6, Janapadas and Mahajanpada. Take the correct answer. Only one chapter is there for civics, that is rural local government bodies. And students, for this lesson objective question is very less, and that is why I have given you some additional questions. Okay, so that also I am going to include in this video, the additional questions for civics. With this much. Okay, I hope so you people have completed all these things in your workbook. Oh, this is objective related to civics. Now I will be giving you extra activity for civics. This is for civics extra work. Who presides over the meeting? Sarpanch. And remember students, from this only I will be asking you answer in one word. Bye students. With this I am finishing the revision work.